Information security specialists divide the concept of security layers into 7 layers. Intruders attempting to overtake a system must sequentially break through each layer. Therefore, optimizing these 7 layers is the focus of any information security professional. Security policies. Most intrusions fundamentally happen because poor decisions are made by managers who are responsible for safeguarding computer systems. Security managers are responsible for implementing security policies that prevent unauthorized access. Having strong security policies can systematically prevent data breaches while also increasing awareness of security protocols within your organization. Premises security. Data has become so valuable that hackers often resort to attacks that involve breaking into a facility or even infiltrating an organization from the inside. As a result, strong premises security is crucial for preventing criminal organizations from breaking in. Premises security can also help to monitor employees who have access to sensitive systems. Walls, cameras, metal detectors, and security guards are only a sample of the assets organizations with sensitive data need to keep their facilities safe. Network security. Once your facility is secure, you will need to turn your attention to securing your network. Hackers need access to your network before they can attempt to break into computers and servers within your organization. You can keep hackers out by properly configuring modern routers and firewalls. Only one vulnerability is needed to enable hackers to break into your network, and new vulnerabilities emerge every day. Therefore, implementing proper network security practices requires a significant amount of time and effort. Software-based malware protection. Today's malware protection software is much more advanced than it was in the recent past. Software-based solutions come with a broad range of features, including intrusion detection systems, encryption tools, anti-spam tools, software-based firewalls, and virus detection software. Proper protection at the software level usually necessitates using only one software program that comes with a range of applications and extensions. Access control measures. Security professionals know that unauthorized access is usually the ultimate cause of a data breach. Consequently, organizations seeking to protect important data must utilize best practices for controlling access. Access control professionals ensure that secure passwords are used throughout an organization and that a minimal number of users have access to sensitive systems. Data protection. It is also important to implement protections that shield sensitive information from being stolen if an unauthorized user gets into one of your systems. Data should always be encrypted when it is stored, and keys must be saved using secure practices. Organizations should also make use of data backups to avoid losing important information when hard drives fail or when an intruder deletes data within a system. Monitoring and testing. The best way to keep your systems secure is to test them regularly. Many organizations bring in teams of professional hackers who are rewarded with big commissions if they succeed at breaking into a computer system. You should also actively monitor your systems for signs of unauthorized access and for opportunities for improvements. By working to continuously improve the security of your computer systems, you can keep your organization protected against new threats while decreasing the probability of experiencing a data breach in the future. Your cybersecurity layers should enable you to identify and protect your business from cyber threats, detect when a cybercriminal has breached your defenses, and position your organization for the best possible outcome when responding to and recovering from a breach.